Hey there, future apartment moguls! If you're diving into the world of small apartment investments, understanding lease agreements is crucial. Let's break down how to review sample leases and pinpoint essential clauses. First up, gather those samples. Compare multiple lease templates from local property associations or legal websites. Look for state-specific language to ensure compliance. Reviewing various samples helps you spot common and unique clauses, giving you a solid foundation. Now highlight those essential clauses. Focus on rent payment procedures. Specify the rent amount, due date, accepted payment methods, and late fees. For instance, rent might be due by the 1st of each month via an online portal with a late fee after the 5th. Next, maintenance and repair responsibilities. Define who handles what. Tenants might be responsible for minor tasks like changing filters, while landlords tackle larger repairs. Don't forget property use and occupancy. Outline restrictions like occupancy limits, guest policies, and unauthorized tenants. Clear terms help maintain safety and prevent subletting issues. Lease renewal and termination are key, too. Document the lease term, renewal options, and termination requirements. Specify notice periods like 30 or 60 days and any penalties for early termination. Compliance and safety provisions are non-negotiable. Include a fair housing statement. Affirm your commitment to non-discrimination. Also, detail safety and emergency protocols, ensuring tenants know their responsibilities for smoke alarms and fire safety. Security deposit terms, absolutely. Specify amounts, allowable uses, and return procedures aligning with local laws. When you're ready to review agreements with tenants, create a lease summary. Summarize key sections like rent terms and maintenance requests. This makes it easier for tenants to grasp their responsibilities. Use a checklist during tenant reviews. Cover points like payment dates, maintenance requests, and lease duration. Ensure tenants understand all terms before signing. Finally, document tenant acknowledgement. Ask tenants to initial each page or section. This step ensures they've reviewed and understood everything. And there you have it. A quick guide to mastering lease agreements for your new apartment investments. Yay! Happy investing.